What's going on here?
Okay.
What are you doing?
I want to help her.
You want to help who?
Madam.
Something wrong with your head. Now you listen to me, Kabiru. Your job here is to man that gate. Nothing else. Drop that in and go to your duty post. I said drop it! Drop it this minute! Why did you delegate your work to me?
I was so exhausted.
You were exhausted? What have you done today that you're exhausted and tired? Listen, madam. I give you 10 minutes to get done with this car. I'm leaving with it. Okay? And why are you staring at me? Don't I have a right to wear what I want? Is it not my clothes? Get done with this car, make I go up. Silly.
Where are you?
My husband is not around, but I can hear him calling out my name. My mental health is at stake. But what can I do? This is crazy.
Daluchi.
Obi, what's it?
I asked you to quit social media and you disobey me.
Obi, I feel very bored. I can't go out. I can't make friends. And I can't have fun on social media. You're too hard on me and it's beginning to tell on me.
Is that enough reason for me to deactivate your social media accounts and for you to go ahead and reactivate them?
I'm sorry, but I need to keep myself busy.
Keep yourself busy with house chores. There's so much of it to be done in this house. What is wrong with you? You're a married woman, not a single lady. You shouldn't be seen on social media. Social media is for single girls and hookup girls.
Hey, where did you get this orientation from?
I will not give you the opportunity to seek counsel from failed women. That will ruin this marriage. Neither will I let you advertise yourself to men. Give me that phone.
Huh?
I said hand me the phone.
Obin, please. Don't do this to me. This is the only way I do catch up with the outside world.
I said hand me that phone.
I won't give you my phone. It's not possible.
Would you give me that phone? Are you mad? Silly.
You're wicked, selfish and heartless. I regret the day I got married to you.
What did you just say? Daluchi.
Oh, really?
What? Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. How have you been?
I'm good. Is that your son?
Yes.
He looks as good as his mother.
Oh, thank you.
So where is your husband?
Oh.
Chief Orimili. Do you remember me?
You?
Baby, please, I forgot an item. Let me just pick it up.
Okay. So you were having an affair with my wife all along?
The affair started after she left your house in the middle of the night. Come to think of it, I sent your bride price, but you did not even acknowledge it.
You are Eze?
It's me. Daluchi is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Oh, we have to go now. We have a flight to catch up.
Oh, yes.
Orimili, see you some other time, okay? Bye. Baby, let's go.
Nice seeing you again, man.
Indeed, you don't value what you have until you lose it. This is the hardest lesson of my life.